Alrighty, well the tree is coming together. It's not all the way finished. I do have majority of my ornaments on it. One thing I wanted to talk about is how I fill up my tree or make it look full without spending a ton of money. If you guys have been following my blog for a while, you know I do like to do things on the cheap whenever possible. So a way that I do this on my tree is I purchase these little ornaments. Let's see if we can get them. They're little tiny balls, and I get them at Walmart or Target, and you just get a tub of them, and they're very inexpensive. I buy some floral wire, and I just kind of group them together. So as an example, here's one that's not been put on the tree yet, and let's see if we can get a good shot. Alrighty, so you can see the little holes right there, and I just take the floral wire and I just gather them together and put the wire through the little holes and kind of make little tail on the end so that I have a place to hook it onto the tree. I've also done this with my Christmas tree hooks, like the ones that you buy in a package that you put on your regular ornaments, and there's usually enough length in that as well to do it if you don't have floral wire. So what I look for is a place in my tree where I could put an ornament, but maybe I don't have one that will fit in that area, or if there's a gathering of branches that kind of look like it could use something right in the middle of them. So here's an example of that. You see all these branches right here that are gathered, and there's a little, kind of like a little nest right here in the middle, and this looks like it could use something in there. So what I'll do is I'll gather this little grouping of ornaments, I'll come in, I'll place it, it's kind of hard to do this holding the camera, I'll place it in the branches and just wrap the wire around the branch, and then it just sits right in there. So it's not extremely noticeable, but if you take a step back and you look at the tree, I just have them all over, and it just looks like berries all over the tree. So it just kind of gives it that extra pop. Something else this brings me to is the step back, is what I like to call it. And I do this all the time when I'm decorating my tree, over and over and over again. A lot of times I'll put ornaments on the tree, and I'll just hang them in place, and then I do the step back. So a lot of times you don't notice things when you're putting your ornaments on when you're up close to your tree. But if you step back, you can see that you've got maybe too much of the same color grouped together, or too many ornaments are the same length grouped together, and you always want to vary that if you can. So you always want to vary the colors that you have in the same area, and try to keep ornaments that are maybe long. Let's see if we can find an example. Okay, let's just use the Santa again. See, he's a longer ornament, so if I placed an ornament next to him that maybe like right here that is the same length as him, it just would be distracting. But if you keep the sizes varying, it kind of keeps the eye flowing over your tree.